6 Common Internet Scams and How to Avoid Them. To help ensure that you and your mom, sister, friends, and boss don't become the victim of an online scammer, here are 6 common types of internet scams and how to avoid them. Tech support scams. They especially target older people, who they assume will have less technical knowledge and more assets than younger people. No legitimate tech support person will reach out to you if you haven't reached out first. Cryptocurrency scams. We're seeing crypto scams everywhere: Instagram, Twitter, people pretending to be victims of war in Ukraine, even crypto romance scams. Your best bet for not falling for a crypto scam is to not take any advice from anyone you only know online about cryptocurrency. Romance scams. The scammer reaches out to the victim through dating sites, social media, even text messages, and establishes a relationship with them. Then, once the victim thinks that they're in love, the scammer creates a situation that requires the victim to send money or goods. Rental scams. They take advantage of people who are truly desperate for an affordable place to live by offering fake apartments for way under market price. The best way to avoid falling for a rental scam is to use the smell test. If it smells fishy, it's probably fishy. Sextortion scams. Sextortion emails threaten to release compromising intimate photos of the potential victim unless they pay a requested ransom. For the emails, just ignore them. The scammer doesn't have your photos and you're at no risk. For revenge porn, there are now laws in most states protecting your rights if you've been targeted by someone like Moore or by a vengeful ex. Scammers are not nice people. Keep your guard up, spread the word to your family and friends, and remember, it's much better to risk being rude than it is to risk getting victimized.